Hey guys, it's Brandon from Allen's Camera in Levittown, PA, and whether you are a seasoned Sony shooter or you're someone that's new to the system, we know that these cameras are just really feature rich. They have tons of customizable options, there's tons of technologies in these cameras, and we're excited this Thursday at 3 o'clock to be joined by a Sony tech rep to kind of give us part one of what we expect to be a multi-part educational series walking through some of our favorite features of these Sony cameras to just help you to unlock the most creative potential that these cameras have to offer. Join us for this 1-hour Zoom webinar. You can register on our Facebook page, you can register through a link on our website, and it should be an awesome opportunity for us to learn a little bit more how to make the most of these, whether it's focus peaking or the eye autofocus, doing firmware updates. A lot of these topics are going to be covered. So we look forward to seeing you at the webinar, and we look forward to seeing you in the store soon.